floral pattern, and it's the Cozy Campfire Floral Quilted Slipper. It's called the Bright Blossom, and I cannot even believe that sale price. We're looking at under $45. Your easy pay is $14.99, and when it comes to slippers, you are going to wear these 30 or 31 days out of the month, because every single day you come home, when you're watching those movies or your shows at the end of the day, you're curling up with some hot cocoa and a nice book, you're going to want to slide into these slippers. So your price per wear when it comes to that easy pay really gets pretty amazing when it comes to something you truly are going to wear morning and evening every single day. I love these so much. I'm actually in the market for slippers, so these may be in my cart after the show because I'm really falling in love with the quilting details, and I cannot even tell you how soft this is and that beautiful faux fur. This color is blush. In the center, this is pretty. Nice, very sophisticated. It's called plum. Here's your black option. On QVC.com, we have this for you in the navy. Only $150 to go around in the navy. There's your burgundy option. And then, do we have natural? Yes, okay, perfect. There's the natural option. It's going to give you a nice cream white, and that's called natural. $44.98. It's A619585. Jackie Needis is here with us. Jackie, I feel like it's been a while since I've seen you. It's good to see you.
I know. Happy New Year. It's so nice to see you too. And especially to bring you something like so wonderful walking into the new year, something that is so cozy, so luxurious, so wonderful, and can be a gift for you or for someone else is beautiful. So these have luxe faux fur, rubber on the outsole. These have memory foam, and they're also really beautiful. You know, it's not often that we do this quilted upper. This is very new for us. So it's just kind of a gorgeous way to wear something that we all need and all want, which is a really good slipper. Just like you were saying, when you come home from work, the first thing you want to do is kick off your shoes, get nice and snuggly, get nice and toasty. And so these are the perfect item for that.
Yeah, it's so true. You want to take off all the uncomfortable clothing. You want to just slide into something really nice and cozy, especially this time of year. For much of the country, we're in this cold snap right now. And I don't know about you, Jackie, but here in Pennsylvania, I've been layering and layering. I was wearing 2 pairs of pants the other night because I was so cold. And a lot of it comes down to what we're wearing on our feet. And if you're just having some socks, that doesn't always keep us warm. This is going to give us support where we need it with that memory foam and also warmth.
Yeah, so this is really great. This is from our Modern Comfort division. So then you know that they're thinking about kind of a modern way to keep you very comfortable, to keep you looking good, but also getting everything you need. And so this is really an update on what would normally be, you know, someone would buy like a drugstore, you know, slipper in which you'd get a small, medium, or a large, and, you know, it wouldn't really fit you correctly. So this is going to be true to size for your sneaker size. So it's going to fit you really well. And then on that bottom, we give you, in the insole, we give you memory foam. And our memory foam is really, really squishy. It's extremely comfortable. It really gives you an excellent personalized fit and rises up to meet you. On top of that memory foam is our luxurious faux fur, which we have some of the snuggliest, most lovely, like favorite blanket type of faux fur. And that faux fur is also beautifully done around the collar. It's also what you're going to feel along the inside of the collar of the slipper. But what I also like about this slipper is that it's got more of a lining around your foot. So I like that I'm going to be snuggled, but I'm not going to be too overheated.
Got it.
And then, yeah, and then with that rubberized outsole, this is also one that, you know, if you need to run to the store, if you need to give your dog a quick walk, you got to get the mail, this is also the shoe that you can leave on.
Yeah, that's amazing. You've got great traction here. Wonderful warmth, really beautiful stitching details here. You made a really good point, Jackie, that a lot of times we grab slippers and it's just small, medium, large, and we just say, oh, well, I guess this will fit and it's fine. And sometimes it's even just a little cardboard or feels like cardboard on the base. And this really truly gives you that support that oftentimes we don't have if we're just walking around our home. Sizes 5 through 11, whole and even half sizes here too, so we can all find our perfect fit. And they do say that a lot of times if we're walking around our home, we really do need that support, because if you're just going barefoot or just in socks, you're walking for hours in your home without that support. So using that memory foam is going to be a really great idea.
Absolutely. And a lot of our homes now, have the hardwood floors, and just in that word, hardwood, like you are walking around on that all day and your feet can take a beating. And I mean, I don't know about you, but kind of like, just like you were saying, the first thing you want to do is get changed when you get home. Like I think about these slippers as like the yoga pants or the sweatpants for my feet. I want to get home. I want to be comfortable. I want to snuggle up, and even if I do have some things to do around the house, like, cook or clean or straighten things up. Exactly. I feel more inclined to do it because I'm more comfortable in this type of slipper. It fits me well. It's not slipping off. It's not just a cardboard bottom. This is really going to be something that gives back to me, which is a lot of what Skechers does. So this is a great one to gift for someone else, but also don't forget you. Valentine's Day, the season of love is coming up. It's all about you too. And they're really cute.
They're really cute. You've got support, you've got warmth, you've got comfort all in one, and you've got an adorable slipper. So why not, especially when you have medium and wide widths and you're saving. You got a sale price from Skechers. Already a great price at $50, but now under $45 tonight, and an easy pay of $14.99. And I just can't stop thinking, Jackie, for $14.99, you're looking at your price per wear becomes pennies, because you're going to wear this every single day, morning and night. So this is a wonderful buy.
Yeah, I agree with you. This is the get out of bed slipper. This is the one that when you don't want to get out of bed, you're like, okay, but at least I can put my slippers on.
Yes.
This is your morning coffee slipper. This is your evening cup of tea slipper. This is the snuggle with the dog, as I have right here, slipper. This is all the things.
Oh, I love that you have your dog, Jackie. Please always invite your dog in. We love to see them.
Oh, absolutely.
This is your blush option. Here's plum. And your black, which does have a kind of a deep graphite gray in your black, but the faux fur is black. Here's your navy. There's your burgundy. And finally, your natural. Jackie, thanks so much. You go snuggle with your dog, and I hope you're throwing these Skechers on right now.
I have them on.
Oh, amazing. There's also 83 5-star reviews there. You have a good one too, Jackie. Now, if you missed it, we started our show with our big deal.